Chief? Chief? Oh, no. No. Todd, if it's the last thing I do, I'll get you for this.
Oh, Todd. Thank heaven you're safe.
Oh, poor Chief. It's all my fault. I shouldn't have let Todd go.
Big Mama, wake up, wake up. There's trouble.
Todd, what is it? What on earth?
Widow, get out here.
Why, Amos, what are you...
Where is he? Where is he? I know he's in there.
Now, just a minute. You can't come barging onto my property, Amos Slade.
That fox of yours almost killed Chief, and I'm gonna get him. You can't keep him locked up forever.